Hello, everyone. Welcome to this installment of NASA's Applied Remote Sensing Training Program Pre-Training Tutorial Series. These short video demonstrations help you to get set up to actively participate in upcoming RSET trainings that use specific tools or applications. Today, we're going to be taking a look at how to install the open source application Quantum GIS, or QGIS, on Windows. We'll be downloading QGIS from the QGIS.org website. For simplicity, I'll search for QGIS in my browser and jump directly to the downloads page on QGIS.org in the search results. The QGIS org is a nonprofit organization, so they'll ask you if you'd like to make a donation. Feel free to donate if you find this project useful, but you can just skip it and go to download. The Downloads webpage should recognize your operating system and be able to suggest an installer for you. I suggest using the standalone installer, because after you've downloaded this, you can transfer it to something like a USB drive and install it on other computers as a complete program without any network connectivity. Let's install the long-term version. The LTR is a version of QGIS which has undergone what they call a hardening procedure to address bugs, whereas the development release may contain more features, but also more bugs and other changes that can lead to unexpected behavior. After a moment, your download will start, and when finished, we can proceed. Now, with your download finished, you can go to your Downloads Manager and open the QGIS OSGeo4W your version number .msi. Now you'll see this new pop-up has appeared, and it is preparing to install. This is opening our installation wizard, and I'll walk you through the steps to install QGIS through the installation wizard. So go ahead and hit Next. Accept the license agreement, and hit Next again. Leave all of the options selected, and hit Next. Now, click Install to begin the installation. If at any point during the installation process you're prompted to allow QGIS to make changes to your device, go ahead and hit Yes. With our setup complete, we can hit Finish and navigate our way to the desktop shortcut, which we helpfully made. And it should be this right here, QGIS Desktop, and then the version number that you've downloaded. You can ignore the rest of these files for now. Go ahead and click to open that, and in just a moment you'll be greeted by the QGIS splash screen. You can see that this is the long-term release, exactly what we wanted. Now that we have QGIS open, you can scroll down to XYZ tiles and see the OpenStreetMap tiles over here on the left in your browser tab. And just by dragging and dropping this to your map screen, you can see that we've successfully loaded a map tile set that represents the world. This is served from the OpenStreetMap database and has multiple layers of detail as you zoom in and out. So you can get more and more information, including local place names, as you zoom around the world. And with that, we've successfully installed QGIS, opened it, and confirmed that everything is working.